Hi guys, we are Group 5. Our topic is Maintenance Record, Contents, and Entries Part 2. I am Carl Justin R. Lopez.
I am Jensen A. Brosas.
I am Rolando Jose G. Carinal.
I'm Yuan Brand P. Di Castro.
I'm Mike Lawrence Argil.
I'm Jarex Moquete.
I am Mark Ivan Silvan.
So, this section explains the required aircraft maintenance records. It covers AD, compliance entries, from, from Form 337 requirements and the rules for recording preventive maintenance. These records help keep the aircraft safe, legal to operate, and properly documented. Next slide. Airworthiness directives, also known as ADs. ADs are mandatory instructions from aviation authorities. They usually require inspection, part replacements, or modification that fix safety issue. Following ADs, make sure the aircraft stays airworthy and meets safety standards. Next slide. Why AD compliance matter? AD compliance ensure the aircraft remains safe to fly. It also keeps track of required inspection, help identify ADs that must be repeated, and provide important documentation for owners, buyers, and regulators. Next slide. AD compliance record requirements. Each AD records must include the AD number and revision, the date and time the work was completed, the method used to comply with the AD, and the next required action if the AD is recurring. The entry must be written in the maintenance logbook, include any supporting documents, and signed by the authorized personnel. Next slide. Next slide. So, the example of AD entries. A typical AD entry might state that what was inspected and replaced, note that no defect was found, list the aircraft total time, and include the next due inspection. It also depends with the mechanic name and the certificate number. Example, AD 2022-2020-18-08 inspected by IAW manufacturer. SB-102, no defect noted. Aircraft TT 3,456.2 hours. Next due is 3,856.2 hours. Signed by J. Doe A and P 123456. Next slide please. So, the Form 337 overview. Form 337 is used when performing major repairs or major alteration on the aircraft. It must be submitted to the FAA or CAAP according to regulation. So there is an official recording of major work done on the aircraft.
So, what qualifies as a major? Structural repair, avionics, modification, and alterations qualify major repair. So, anything that can affect safety, pure flight characteristics, uh, system functionality considered as a major. This kind of job must be accompanied by approved data. Next slide, please. Form 337 contains uh, a complete Form 337 includes a detailed description of what work was done, reference to data use, approval for return to service, signature of technician and IA, and copy submitted to FAA within 48 hours. These forms becomes part of the aircraft permanent history and the aviation authority gets a copy within 48 hours, while another copy stays with the aircraft records. Next slide. So, when a major repair is done, the information should also appear in the logbooks. But unlike AD entries, the logbook doesn't need every detail. A short summary is fine. So this helps future mechanics quickly track what was changed and how it was approved. Next slide, please. Preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance involves simple tasks that do not require complex assembly or calibration. These tasks can be performed by aircraft owners or pilots. Examples includes changing oil, replacing light bulbs, lubricating hinges, or fixing interior furnishing. Next slide. So examples of preventive maintenance are replacing spark plugs or bulbs, changing oil and filters, replacing safety wire or cutter pins, servicing landing gear, wheel bearings, and repairing interior furnishings. These tasks help keep the aircraft reliable, prevent early wear, and reduce the workload on maintenance shops. Next slide. Recording preventive maintenance, uh, description of work, date and signature, and certificate number of person who performed the work. So these records are important because they show that even small tasks are being done regularly. Next slide. So the importance of record keeping is to ensure traceability, support safe operation, and required for airworthiness. If if records are incomplete, aircraft inspectors can immediately ground the aircraft even if the aircraft is actually in good condition. So complete document is just as important as the maintenance work itself. Next slide. So to summary, uh, accurate entries ensure safety, legality, and proper aircraft maintenance history. AD compliance, Form 337 documentation, and preventive maintenance entries are critical components of regulatory record keeping. All these records help ensure that an aircraft remains safe, legal, and airworthy. Thank you, and that concludes our presentation.
Good morning, guys. We are the interviewer. I'm Jarex B. Moquete.
I'm Ivan Silvan.
And our
Tapos,
guest is Sir
ako nga pala si Carl Davin M. Legados, from Lufthansa Technic Philippines. MECC. MECC, or also known as bago kasing term ngayon sa LTP is maintenance technician. Yun.
Okay po. Ano pong age nila, sir?
Bali ako ay 26 years old.
So, sir, ilang years na po kayo sa company?
Bali include ko na rin ba yung sa MTP?
Yes po.
Ayun. Bali kasi nag-start ako MTP 2024 yata. O 2023 yata. O yun, 2023. 6 months. So, graduate kami mga 2024. Tapos, yun. Plus another 6 months kasi probi. Tapos ngayon, nakaisang taon na ako ng regular. So, bali almost 2 years na ako sa LTP. Yan.
Okay po, sir. About sa our topic po, maintenance record and contents and entries, ano pong masasabi nyo?
Okay lang pakiulit ulit. Maintenance.
Records, contents, and entries po.
Bali kasi yan yung maintenance records, entries natin. Kumbaga sa sa LTP kasi meron tayong pagkadating ng eroplano, meron tayong inspection. So, may card na yan. Bago pala dumating ang eroplano, may card na. So, yung pinaka-entries natin, maintenance entries is mag-start muna tayo sa sa inspection. Tapos, after ma-inspection, ibebenta natin kay customer. Tapos, yung pinaka-maintenance entries natin is yung mga non-routine na task card, yun. Yun na yung Bali yun, tsaka yung mga routine task card natin, yun. Yun yung mga entries natin. Bali, din, syempre kasi ang regularly, ang maintenance task card natin is, yun yung dahilan para makapag-generate tayo ng non-routine task cards. Kaya nadadagdagan yung natin, yung trabaho. Kasi may time na inspection, tapos yun, rectification sa non-routine, tapos yun, after din nun, yan, na-rectify na. Tapos, i-entry natin siya sa logbook. Yun, ganun. Ganun yung entries natin.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po. For the last question, si Mr. Silvan.
Question po is message po sa amin kasi second year pa lang po kami, inspiring mechanic po for future po.
Oo. Siguro message, tiis-tiis. Once na nakapasok, personal lang. Hanggang sa makarating kayo sa gusto nyo. Tapos, tiis ulit kasi alam naman natin iba dito, iba din dun sa ibang bansa. Tapos, gawin nyo palagi yung best nyo. Yun lang. Kasi, mahirap. Kasi nung before ako pumasok ng LTP, unsure din ako talaga kung makakapasa ba ako dito. Pero kailangan nyo din ng balls, malaking balls. Papanindigan nyo lahat ng ginagawa nyo. Tapos, as a mechanic naman, payo din, stick tayo palagi sa tama. Stick tayo sa standard. Yun. Kahit bilang student pa lang, stick tayo sa standard. Tapos, pag-aralan natin lahat yung mga tinuturo sa atin ng mga professors natin, i-absorb natin lahat. Tapos, magagamit talaga natin yan sa, trabaho. At saka sa, tunay na buhay. Yun lang.
Sir. Thank you po.
Okay.